Hey guys, good morning. Happy New Year. Yeah, the time now is 1 o'clock, 1:04 in the morning. 1 hour after New Year. Yeah, today is January 1, 2018. Yeah, yeah, I finished my duty this night at 10 o'clock in the evening. And then I drive around to the center, to the marina, and I see that there's a lot of people there. And when I get home, I see my landlord, and he told me that there was a fireworks 9 o'clock in the marina area. So I missed that fireworks. Yeah. And then 12 o'clock, I'm home and watching on TV the Sydney Harbor fireworks, the one in the Opera House and the Circular Quay. If you may remember last New Year, I was in the street of Sydney because I didn't able to get inside the area of Circular Quay. Yeah, there is a bar in the area of Circular Quay that you cannot go inside if you come late. Yeah, and I came late and I didn't able to get inside. So I didn't see the fireworks last New Year. Last year, yeah. Yeah. Nice. So yeah. Today I am going to show you the coins that I have with CoinSpot. So this is something like an update. Yeah, as you can see, this website is the coinspot.com.au, and it shows here what are the popular now. These are the coins that people are buying these days. So these are the popular one, and as you can see, it's a Bitcoin, ADA, XRP, XBG. Yeah, and these are the value of the coins that I have at the moment. Okay, I will show you my wallet. So this is my wallet. So basically these are the coins that I have. It's Ripple, Birds, Qtum, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. So this Birds, I bought it 3 days ago for $160, and now $206.95. Wow, I'm amazed with that. And the Bitcoin is 70. Yeah, I lost $30 already with Bitcoin because, like what I've said, I bought it for $100, and now $70.55. But overall, I still earn money because the money that I invest in this CoinSpot is only $480. And look at this, it's already 844.5 Australian dollars. Yeah, basically that is how it is. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning, and Happy New Year. Good night. Thank you. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I am going to work now. The time now is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, as usual, heading to work. Today is January 1, 2018. Oh, a lot of cars today. Yeah, even the non-parking area has become a parking area. I don't know if we can stand by in here. Yeah, a lot of people. No, there's one space for me, but let's look for another space. Wow, really nice. A lot of people there. I love it being like this. If it is always like this, that there's a lot of people, I love it. Now we're going to have a look in the people there.
yesterday I let my colleague to use my bicycle, and he was amazed that, the experience using the electric bike. He was not expecting that how it works, and he liked that. Then he tried to touch the wheel of the bike, and he noticed that it's not properly pumped. I mean, not enough air. So we're going to put some air in there now. Yeah, that would be the third time that I put air in there since I bought it last July. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, join me as I do my laundry. Actually, I'm done, and I'm just going to put it outside to dry. Yeah, let's go. I have some more here.
Good evening. How are you today? Yeah, I just finished my duty. I mean, I just came home. I finished my duty at 11 o'clock. The time now is 12:15. Yeah, and maybe I will be sleeping at around 1 or 2 o'clock. I'm just going to do some Facebook, YouTube, and things like that. Yeah, there is not so much happening these days because, yeah, always busy at work. Yeah. And you've seen already most of the places here in Port Stephen, so I think it is boring. Yeah, so I am going to update you about the happening in my coinspot.com.au. Yeah, basically this is about the coins, the bitcoins, and other cryptocurrency that I bought from coinspot.com. So this is it. So this is the homepage of the coinspot.com.au. Yeah, as you can see, this is my account, the website name, a dashboard, wallet, buy, sell, market, account, logout. So at the moment, Coinspot deposit is not available. Yeah, because there is problem in the banks here in Australia. I don't know exactly, but it explains here. So basically, I'm going to tell it to you again. So basically, when I come back here in Australia 2 weeks ago, I still have around $1,000 in my ATM card, and the rest of that I pay for my rent, and I still have $480, and I bought this cryptocurrency. Those are the Ripple, Qtum, and Bitcoin. So those four are the first four that I bought. And just three: Ripple, Qtum, and Bitcoin. Those are the first three that I bought, and I bought them $100 each, including the fee or the charge. Let's look at the wallet. So basically, this is the wallet. Ripple, I bought it for $100, and it is now $280.56. Actually, before, like after 3 days when I bought this, it reached it reached 300 something dollars, and I withdraw something like $160, and I bought another one, which is the birds, and I bought this for $160, but it lost like $4. As you can see, this is now just 156.94. But this Qtum and Ripple, they are keep on growing. So the total amount that I have in this cryptocurrency is $919.79. Yeah, if I want to withdraw, like for example, if I want to withdraw this 280.56 from Ripple, it will go to my funds in here, and then from here I can withdraw it going to my bank savings account. Yeah, so that is basically how it works. Or I maybe can keep it here and then buy another cryptocurrency from the cryptocurrency list. So that is basically how it works. Yeah, if you are interested, you can try, but don't put too much money in it. Yeah, put the money that you are confident to, to lose or to yeah, don't put too much money, because this is, we are not sure about this yet. I think that's it, and thank you for watching, guys.